In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to use the Krispy Kreme app. Make sure to install the app on your mobile device. This way, you can keep up with your order's details. On the home screen, Krispy Kreme will usually display their specialty donuts here, and this month, it's everything to scoff. First, click New Order. Find and select your store's location. Then, hit Start Order. There are so many different assortments of donuts to choose from, so just scroll through the menu till you see what you want. So I'm going to go with the 16-count original glazed minis. Now that I've gotten my donuts, let's check out their drinks. You see they got different coffees, lattes, and hot chocolate, but I'm going to go with their chillers. They have a strawberry and lemonade chiller, but I'm going to go with the strawberry chiller. Select your size and add it to your cart. So now, select when you would like to pick up your order and at what time. Then hit continue with order. Review your order's information. If everything looks good, then hit checkout. Go ahead and add in your payment method and hit place your order. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.